Trying to unlink your bank from Robinhood? Here's how to do it step by step. First, open your Robinhood app and tap on the account icon at the top right. Now, go to linked accounts. You'll see all your connected banks listed there. Tap the one you want to remove. Then select Unlink. Confirm the action, and just like that, the bank is removed. If you are getting an error, make sure there are not any pending deposits or withdrawals first. They have to be completed before you can unlink. Have you ever had trouble switching banks on Robinhood? I'd love to hear how you handled it in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.